Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to clear RAM on your Android in 2026. My Android phone was starting to feel a little sluggish the other day, apps taking forever to open, switching between screens lagging, and it reminded me that sometimes the RAM just needs a quick cleanup. So the first thing I did was open the recent app screen by tapping the square button or swiping up, depending on the device. Right away, you can see all the apps currently running in the background, and honestly, it's usually more than you expected. From there, I just swipe the apps away or tap clear all if the option is available. That instantly frees up memory the phone was using. Some Android phones also have a device care or memory option inside the settings where you can optimize RAM with a single tap, which is pretty convenient. After clearing those background apps, the phone usually feels noticeably smoother, and if the things still feel slow, a quick software update or restart can also help. Sometimes your phone just needs a little reset to get back up to speed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.